Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Leja Permanes from Grade 10 Temperance, and now we'll be talking about emergency kit. The things should be in your emergency kit and the importance of having an emergency kit. First, what is emergency kit? An emergency kit has all of the things that you and your family may need during an emergency in which you may have to stay inside for longer than usual or the electricity could go out. And the things should be in your emergency kit is first aid kit, water, chocolate, ready-to-eat food like hangus, flashlight, whistle, blanket, map, rice, and extra battery. The importance of having an emergency kit is provides temporary aid until you can get help. No kit means no immediate help. Precious time to respond can mean further injury, life, or death. The longer you wait for treatment, the more severe your injury can become. And that's all. I hope you have learned. Thank you for watching.